everyone, my name is Nadine. I am the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and this is going to be another video about my travel and decor series. And in this series, I talk about the inspiration that I get from my travels to different countries. And these travels are sometimes for work and sometimes for fun, but no matter what circumstances there are, I always make it a point to stay in Airbnbs that are unique to the country's local and regional elements. So that way I can get a real feel for the architecture and interior design of the location where I am. Today we're going to be talking about Spain. And if you have been to Spain and you want to add any of the design elements that you love, please comment below. And as always, I will put links in the description for inspiration. Now let's dive into it. Spanish design has a very distinct and timeless look that can add warmth and charm to any American home. And here are some ideas on how to incorporate Spanish design elements into your home. I have a lot of these ideas and I think it's beautiful, and I think when you're speaking about Spanish design, a lot of people might know what I'm talking about here. So the first thing is going to be the use of bold colors. Spanish design often incorporates bold and warm colors into the home, such as terracotta, mustard yellows, and blue hues. And the use of these colors can be used on walls, accents, and textiles, such as rugs, curtains, and any cushions in your home, throw pillows, and that sort of thing. And if you have any additions to that, I would love to hear about it. The other thing is add texture. Spanish design often also uses lots of textures, such as wrought iron, stucco, and terracotta to their design. And using these materials in design accents, you can use them with light fixtures and even furniture. And so it's a great option. And I will, again, link some inspo in the description so you can see what I'm talking about there. And install maybe a tile backsplash. Tile backsplashes are a classic feature in Spanish design. So considering adding a tile backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom with those colorful colors will really bring a touch of Spanish design to your home. And now getting back to the use of wrought iron. Wrought iron is a very common material used in Spanish design, and incorporating wrought iron into spots in your home, such as light fixtures or even furniture and accents, can really bring rustic charm to your home if you really want to incorporate that really authentic Spanish design. The other thing is use of traditional patterns. So Spanish design often incorporates traditional patterns such as lots of geometric tiles, very intricate ironwork, and ornate textiles. Using patterns like these on textiles on places such as blankets and throw pillows and curtains really will bring that authentic Spanish interior design to your home. The other thing is incorporating wood elements. Spanish design often incorporates lots of wood elements to their homes, such as exposed ceiling beams and even wood shutters inside or outside the home. Consider adding wood furniture, ceiling beams, and window shutters to your home to really tie in and bring that Spanish design element to your home. Now, by incorporating these Spanish design elements into your American home, you can really create a warm and inviting atmosphere that adds a touch of Mediterranean charm to your home. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you if you really like that Spanish design. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. Otherwise, keep designing your life, and I will see you in the next one.